What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at $1.18, down 8.6 on the day, sitting at market cap of 10.22 billion. 24-hour volume 729 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit. These are the two exchanges I do my investing and trading. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all lordy lord, talking all things crypto completely for free. Let's hop into Matic. So the wave count has been playing out exactly as we've been predicting in the Discord. We called for a retest of the wedge. That's exactly what we saw, and then continuation to the downside in a wave 3, and that is exactly what we saw. So now what we're looking for is a wave 4 pullback. Potentially it could start to put in now off this low, but we may put in one more lower low before pushing up in that wave 4. Coming down in a wave 5 to complete an ABC correction. Now, what I think is likely is that this is not going to be a really shallow wave 2 where you come up from this low here. I don't even know if it met the minimum target. This would be your wave 1 to the top. Yeah, it hasn't even come close to the minimum target, which is a 38.2% fib level. So what we're looking at is that you're coming down in an ABC, in a wave W, and then you'll push up in a wave X, and you'll come down in a 5-wave move in a wave Y to take you down in between 0.84 and 0.99. The minimum target for a wave 2 is $1.07, but I don't think it's likely it's only going to sit at the minimum target. I think it's more likely it will come down to this range in a WXY correction, complete a wave 2, and then push up in a wave 3. The daily chart, we talked about the divergence of money flowing out, pushing into heavy resistance. We talked about how this was the perfect opportunity to start to see some pullback, and that's exactly what we're seeing. We are starting to break the 20 EMA on the daily, and then we can easily come down to the 55, which is currently sitting at $1.05. I do think this divergence will continue to play out, and we will continue to retrace, in my opinion. ETH is also following our wave count. There's two possibilities. What I think is more likely is that this was a 3-4 and we put in a ending diagonal wave 5, and right now you're putting in a wave A. So you'd look to push up in a wave 4, potentially in 1523 and 1578 before coming down in a wave 5 to complete a wave A, push up in a wave B, and a final wave C to take you down to the 1200 range. This is what I think is going to happen. We're going to see a relief bounce. Bulls are going to get really excited, think we're going to push all the way up to this resistance here, and then the whales will take advantage and sell it off, and we'll come back down to this trend line of this massive potential ascending triangle at about 1294, and then see continuation to the upside. I do think these bearish divergences will play out and come down to oversold, and that's when you'll see the price come down to 12 to 1300. But in the short term, put in a nice little bounce before rolling over to the downside for the price of Ethereum. So in the short term, if we do bounce from here, looks like we have a nice 5-wave move. We came down to wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This was a 3, 4, 5. Looks like we may put in one more lower low. Yeah, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we may put in one more lower low in the wave 3, push up in the 4, come down in the 5 to complete the A, and then push up in a wave B pullback. Same thing for Matic. Potentially, I do think we could put in a one more lower low for the market, complete that wave 3, push up in a wave 4, come down in a wave 5 to complete the wave C of a wave W, and then basically push up. I have to open this up so it's visible. Push up in a wave X and come down in a wave Y. You down to our target range for a wave 2. All right, gang. So that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. This is where I do my trading. Check out my full-length tutorials linked in the description as well as the end of the video. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis signals that can be very helpful in your trading. Crypto news. Member profits, they like to post their juicy profits from their own trades, as you can see here. And Mahado all plays $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.